In Autopilot making money system for free and affiliate marketing for beginners tutorial with free traffic 100%. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you a free Autopilot making money system actually that you can use the software and you can use this all the work done by that, and you don't need to even to spend or invest any single penny into that. So just invest a little bit of your time, 5 minutes or 10 minutes work in a day, and then make money from that. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money with this specific strategy right here for absolutely free. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working, but don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So let's begin the strategy and do not waste further time that how this method and this strategy is working right here. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with Digistore 24, or you can sign up with the Clickbank. So once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account and you can definitely go to the marketplace right away here. So once you go to the marketplace right away here, so make sure that you just choose the category right here, e-business and e-marketing. So once you choose that category right here, you can simply scroll down and see the product or the offer right here. For example, the 12-minute affiliate system. So it is a making money online system, or the software or work can do for that. And the greatness about this software is that it can make you $215 per sales actually, and you can make $23 again and again as an upsell or recurring commission every single month when they upgrading their plan right here. So basically, we can simply go to the affiliate tools area and also the affiliate tools area and also the sales page. So basically, this is the main sales page, which is a video that people can come and they can watch the video and then they can take action on the method for the next right here. And this is the affiliate tools area right here. So here we use the track and the software, that how it is working. Basically, you can simply scroll down almost to the bottom right here, and you can simply see here this funnel number 1, number 2. Okay, so these are all the funnels right here: funnel number 1, funnel number 2, number 3, 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7 right here. So for example, I just like to use this funnel number 7. So I can simply just copy this link from here, and I can simply just go back right here, and I can simply just open a new page or note page, and I can simply paste it right here. So here is the part right here that we can simply just change this part, your affiliate ID, and to own Clickbank ID right here. So I can simply change into my Clickbank ID, but you can change into your one right here. So once you do that, the next step will be that you can simply copy that and go to the Google and just tap Sniffly. You will have the first link. Just click on that and you will be redirected to this page right here. So make sure that you sign up and log into your account. Once you log into your account right here, you will see the interface like this one, and you can simply paste your link right here and then click on the create snap. So once you click on the create snap, it will take a little bit of your time. Then you will have the page like this one right here. So you can simply just change this one into your ID right here. For example, get access to affiliate booster, something like that. And here you can give a call to action button, which will be this button right here. You can also change. For example, you can simply tell people that click here, and here you can simply add the link right here. So for this is destination link, you just need to go to the Clickbank and just click on the promote button right here. So once you go to the Clickbank right here and you just click on that, then you can simply use the tracking ID uh, free software you can simply use, and you can simply click on the generate hop link and then copy that link. Once you copy the link, then you can simply come back right here to the snap and you just paste the link right here, and then you click on here. Okay, snap. So once you click on that, you will have the special link right here. This will be the link that you can simply copy that. So if you just copy this link and show in the new tab right here, so it will look something like this one right here. So what we did right here, what is the software and what is the trick that we have used? The trick is that this page is also a Clickbank link ID, which is our one, and this is a call to action button, also our one. So if we share this link on the social media or anywhere we want, so people can just come right here and they can read all the sales page or this one web page link, sorry, page right here. They can read all this. Whenever they take action on this page right here, for example, they purchase right here by just clicking that, so we will get the commission. And if they just click right here to get access, they will also go to another page right here, so we can also earn money from that. Means we double target the people right here and we cannot miss. Even if they click right here or here on this page, so we will target them right here very easily without any problem. So what we need to do, we can simply just see here that we target both of them. And if you just click right here, you will also go to the sales page right here. And if you just click on that and you go to the purchase page, of course at the bottom you will see your Clickbank ID and also your tracking ID, that people can understand that this is not people, actually you can understand that this is your tracking link. Even on the main link, let me show you, let me just scroll down. As you can see here on the top, this is my Clickbank ID right here. So and whenever people purchase, so I get commission from that. So now we have created the software link actually, and we use this track. Then the next step for us will be that if we can simply just copy this link from here and we can go to the the facebook.com. Facebook is the free way and the free social media platform that we can use it for absolutely free. If you just look to the Facebook, so according to the similar wave right here, they are getting 21 billion plus monthly visitor. Each month they are getting 21 billion traffic each month is coming to this website, and most of the traffic is coming from the United States, Vietnam, Brazil, United Kingdom, and Poland. And these are all the greatest country that we want to promote our product in front of them. So make sure that you just type in the search bar make money online and you search, and make sure that you sort it by the groups, and then you can simply have available all the groups right here. The first step is that you need to join these groups right here that I have already joined, and then you can open each and every group right here. Once you open the groups right here, then you can simply scroll down and you can simply post inside of this group right here. So for that reason, you just need to go to the affiliate tools area right here. For example, this one, you can simply just copy this from here, and you can simply just come back right here and simply paste it right here, plug in and prop it with our 100% completely done for you sales funnels as little as 12 minutes. So you can simply tell people that access here, okay, and then you can add your link right here by just going here and to simply copy the link and just come back right here and paste the link right here. So here is will be a to generated freebie. You can simply scroll down and you can just download from the sales page any image right here. You can simply download and you can re-upload it right here. And once you are done, then you can simply click on the post button right here. So once you click on the post button, that will be automatically posted on this page right here. So whenever people see that, so when they take action on that, so they can simply go right here. As you can simply see here, it is already allowed this link on the Facebook and it is posted. Whenever people just click on this link, so they will be redirected to this page right here. Whenever people take action on this page or this call to action button, we will earn the money from that. So this is a double trick that you can simply use for absolutely free and start making money from that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all for these types of great contents. Every single day we are uploading new contents on making money online, getting passive income, and working from home. So you will be the first person to notify. And if you want full training on how to make money online with affiliate marketing and free traffic or paid traffic, actually check out the first link in the description of this video, and you can see all the bonuses, tips, tricks, and each and every single thing right there in that page right there, and if you are interested, you can take action on that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.